What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally picking up my Mustang. So if you guys didn't know, I've been putting off wrapping for my car for a while and finally got around to it. Just a lot going on with the car. Had to get the transmission rebuilt, had to do a few other things. Misa's been busy. We ordered the wrap and it took like a month to get here. Just a bunch of things that happened that pushed it and delayed it, but it is finally here. Finally picking up the Mustang. So Illustrious Auto Styling, our good buddy Misa, actually wrapped the Mustang. He's wrapped all of our cars, so if you guys are in Amarillo, Texas, or if you want to bring your car to Amarillo, he will wrap your car. He is by far the best I've ever seen. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you guys the car. I've been teasing it for a while. It took me a long time to pick this color, and a little backstory is when Joe first got his Fox body, he talked about wrapping it instead of having to repaint everything because the paint was in bad condition on his Fox body. And this was actually one of the colors. And right when he got some samples, I was like, dude, if you don't wrap your car that color, I guarantee someday I'll wrap my car that color. And so I've kept my eye on that color this whole time, and I was really excited to finally do it. And for a while, I started to look at some other colors, and I just couldn't pull myself away from that color. So that is the color I ended up going with. So you already know the color if you went back on some of those videos, or you could actually see the roll was actually like right here in a lot of the videos of me working on the car and doing the transmission and things like that. The roll was sitting there, but it had the wrap, the little protection wrap on it, so you couldn't actually see exactly what it was. But today we're finally picking it up. So I want to do like a little reveal video when we're over there. So my buddy Chase is going to help me out. He always helps me out with cinematics and commercials and stuff like that. So Chase is going to help me out with some video, and I have the parachute here somewhere. Parachute's over there. So I want to get the parachute on for the video and for some photos. And I just actually got some oil for an oil change. Filled up the CO2 bottle because I was out of CO2. Because we are actually going to go racing Saturday. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned, should be racing in Wichita Falls Saturday, because I am ready to get back out to the track. I know it's hot out, but I'm ready to get some hits on the car, start working on the suspension again, and start working on some tune-ups. And that way, as it gets cooler, as summer dies down and the fall weather comes around, we can be ready to go racing. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm actually going to go pick up the car with the trailer because we are going racing this weekend. And one of my good clients' friends, Keith, he's going to let me borrow his trailer this weekend. So he's actually going to bring it to the gym. And then after train them, I'm going to go pick up the car with the trailer. So I'll see you guys over there in just a little bit. Alright guys, we made it over to Misa's shop. We're putting a few things back together, brought the parachute over, just tightening some stuff up, and so this color is fiery orange. Actually, Joseph picked it out for his Fox body, but he didn't end up going with it. And like I said, I fell in love with it after that. Chase shot the video here, and he's vlogging, but he's getting some photos. But man, Misa absolutely killed it. So I've got all my sponsor stickers coming in still. Misa's got to plot them out tomorrow and then cut them. But you can't see, but Misa's got an embossed logo on each side, super clean, which is dope. But man, see if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see. But man, I absolutely love this color. So obviously it looks darker because the sun's going down. It's a little bit brighter during the day, but man, this color is so sick. So people might be, everyone was giving me a hard time because they're like, you're wrapping your car orange and it's already orange. Well, I really loved the orange that was already on the car, but a lot of people have it now and it just looks too yellow in certain lighting. Like when we take photos and videos of it in certain lighting, it always looks yellow. So I wanted to keep it orange, keep it the tank staying, but had to change it up a little bit. Oh! I'm so glad I went with this color. Chase, you like it? All right, thanks, Chase. Good input, man. That's why Chase is the media guy. He does not speak well. Chase actually just got his car wrapped too by Misa. We'll have to show that on the next video. But yeah, I'm really excited with how this came out. Misa did a killer job. Yeah, Chase is gonna turbo his Camaro and I'm gonna gap him again. Again! Oh man.
I don't have that Joseph Young sauce.
My car does have the Joseph Young turbo kit on it.
Literally all of it. The whole car is
the whole thing. So it is still the Tangstang. That's why I kept it orange too, because I wanted to keep the name the Tangstang. And actually I have a sticker going somewhere on the car that says Tangstang, but Misa didn't like the vinyl that was used. So we got to cut that with some better vinyl. But man, I'm really excited with how this looks. I'm so pumped. Hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. And if you don't, well, that doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, I'm the one that drives it. So that's all that matters. But huge thanks for Chase. Huge thanks to Chase for helping out. Huge thanks to Misa for putting in work.
Helping out? I'm an employee.
Chase is an employee somehow. I'm gonna buy him food later.
Yeah.
You don't get no W-2, Chase. So I'm really excited with how it turned out. Misa absolutely killed it. He worked his ass off the last couple days getting it done, but it turned out absolutely amazing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the color that I chose. I didn't want to do the atomic teal. Obviously this one, you know, you can still see the door jambs and stuff. Like when the hood's open, you can see the orange Fury underneath, but at least it's still orange. Like atomic teal with orange/yellow door jambs would really not look good. Some people do go as far to wrap the door jambs, but I think that's just a pain in the ass, and that really defeats the purpose of having a wrap. So the cool thing about wraps is if you get tired of them, you can take them off. So we are gonna get it paint corrected, because you can actually get like some of the orange peel and some of the swirls out by paint correcting these wraps. And then Travis McNutt from CA Auto Spa, he's going to put some ceramic pro on it. We're gonna get it coated, so that's super easy to take care of. But Chase and I are gonna finish up some photos, and we're gonna get this thing on the trailer and get it home, because I do have to get it ready to go racing this weekend. Guys, look at this sunset, a little rain action over there, and the Tangstang. Oh man, I freaking love this car. So glad I wrapped it and changed it up. You know, I tend to get bored with cars easily, but man, this one I have not got bored of yet. This thing looks insane. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I just wanted to show you the car on my cell phone so you can kind of see what the car looks like on my cell phone, because different cameras pick it up differently. So I'm gonna do like just a little walk around on the cell phone, and there's a little bit of light on the rear end, so you can kind of see what the rear end looks under the light, and then what the car looks like in the garage. So the cell phone picks up the actual color of the car really well. My camera tends to make it a little bit darker, but you can see the sun is on the back. It's got a really nice, almost like a pearl to it, nice little sparkle. Man, I just love that color. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the color on the car. I'm super excited about it, and probably what I'm most excited about is the thing is drivable and raceable. So we are going to Wichita Falls tomorrow, and you guys will see a dang can shaking around, and you guys will see a video on that hopefully in the next couple days. Streetcar Joe's going, our other buddy Michael's going, so it's gonna be a good time. Hopefully get some good clean passes in and get some data on the car for the upcoming season. But I'm really excited just to get out and race, and I don't even care about winning or anything. I just really want to get out, start racing the car, get some good data on it so we can go actually win some events, have some fun. But that's what it's all about. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the color as much as I do. Hopefully some of you guys can come see the car in person at some point, whether it's at an event or at like Caffeine and Cars or something. So I'll try and keep you guys updated on where we go this year, but fall is just around the corner. And that means it's boost weather, it's boost season, it's time to go fast. And if you guys can't tell, I'm just really excited to have the car back. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I got a ton of work to do today at the gym, and then I got a ton of work to do on the car to get it ready for tomorrow. So I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and look for that next video.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on.